are the main ingredients that we need for the salt baked chicken, Chinese style. So we have some pink Himalayan salt, we have some Mediterranean salt, some chopped ginger and garlic, some Chinese barbecue sauce, and some black bean garlic sauce. You wash the chicken and dry the chicken. Put it in the fridge overnight, or at least for 8 hours. So in the middle of the chicken, you mix some Sparerib sauce with the black bean garlic sauce and some chopped ginger and garlic. Put the condiments inside the chicken. So you can also substitute some of the sauces. You can use hoisin sauce instead of the black bean garlic sauce. You can use oyster sauce, so it doesn't really matter, it just gives a different kind of flavor.
Sang ly nữa.
Sang chắc không?
Để đâu hú hiệu lại ho.
Yêu.
Yêu.
So put 1 or 2 stalks of green onions. This will give it a nice fragrance for the chicken when you bake it. So this is a Mediterranean salt. So overnight you put about a tablespoon of the salt. Just sprinkle on the chicken. You can rub it in a bit too as you like. Yeah, so just put a little bit of this Mediterranean salt over the surface of the chicken. You can do it overnight if you like. So that will help draw the moisture out of the chicken. Or you can just put the salt on before you bake. I really like these natural salts. I just started using Himalayan pink salts recently for cooking and eating. So what we'll do is we'll just also put a bit of the salt on the surface here. So this will add some more complex flavor to the chicken. I noticed the flavor is more richer. The saltiness is different from the other kind of refined salt because there's still the nutrients and everything in the salt. The oven has been preheated at 375 degrees. So we're going to put the chicken in the oven now. Bake the chicken for 1 hour to 1 hour and a quarter. Ooh, there it is. That looks really good. So we're going to take off the chicken from the oven. There you have it, salt baked chicken, Chinese style. Enjoy.